Hi, I'm Chef Jenny from Fisher Paykel. We're here today to talk about our Pro wall oven. So our wall ovens in general are one of my favorite appliances here at Fisher Paykel. This oven in particular has 17 different functions, so you can view those by just pressing cook by function, bake, true arrow, maxi broil, vent bake. There's all these different ways that you can cook. It also connects to Wi-Fi. It'll connect to our wireless probe. So the reason why I'm using the arrow bake function is because you're getting heat from both the top and the bottom, and then the fan is on, so you're getting a nice even airflow, which results in a very nice crispy top of the muffin that you always want, and also a nice crispy bottom. So you get really good even cooking using the arrow bake function. If you want to experience the Fisher Paykel Pro wall oven in person, you can visit us at any Universal Appliance and Kitchen Center in Costa Mesa, Torrance, Studio City, or Calabasas.